Prime Minister Narendra Modi's move to repeal farm reform laws in the face of persistent protest, his biggest policy U-turn since taking office, handed his opponents momentum ahead of crucial state elections. Anil Ghanwat, one of the members of the SC appointed committee, on Tuesday wrote to Chief Justice of India urging him to consider releasing the report submitted by the panel in March as soon as practicable or authorize the committee or to him to do so. Rashtriya Lok Dal chief Jayant Chaudhary on Tuesday gave credence to the buzz about his party's electoral tie-up with the Samajwadi Party ahead of the upcoming elections in Uttar Pradesh. Supreme Court on Tuesday refused to postpone Tirupura municipal poll and suggested the state to consider development of additional forces. The government is considering a proposal to provide more tax-related concession on vehicles that are purchased after scrapping old vehicles under the recently launched National Automobile Scrappage Policy, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari said on Tuesday. The Narcotic Control Bureau has busted a drug manufacturing unit in Kamtha area of Maharashtra Nandan district and apprehended 3 persons in his connection, an official said on Tuesday. About 100 Islamic State affiliated terrorists surrendered in Afghanistan's Nangarhar on Tuesday, Chinese media reported, citing local officials' confirmation. Israel sharpened its rhetoric against Iranian combat drones on Tuesday, disclosing what it said were 2 ways used to carry out maritime attacks with the remote control planes and offering to cooperate with Arab partners on countermeasures. The concentration of power in the hands of Chinese President Xi Jinping may not fare well for the foreign and economic prospects of China. The BJP's bipolar losses and a looming bad performance in the upcoming assembly polls led to the announcement of repealing the farm laws, Congress leader Sachin Pilot said on Tuesday, asserting that there will be consequences for the ruling party in the elections as farmers' distrust of the government will not go away with one rollback. Priyanka Chopra Jonas, who is married to American singer-songwriter Nick Jonas, on Monday removed her surname along with her husband's last name from social media handle. The Dil Dhadakne Do actor removed Chopra and Jonas from her Instagram and Twitter accounts and is now going by only Priyanka, leaving the internet in the state of bewilderment.